Friday, March 11th, I think. I have to keep thinking, is this March now or then? So we're staring at a bin of tomatoes. I think we had a bit of rain last night. It was warmer. Night before last, we had this little cover that Michael came up with, which is ingenious. The plants are low enough, just fits over the top, and he's got it with a string and tension bungee cord. I got these at your local Dollar Tree right now. They're poorly made, but they're adorable. And they're $1. So I have to find the right place for him because I'm going to be covering this up. There's something, so we'll just stick right here. This is the lettuce section. And look, we have some seeds already sprouting. It's radish, of course. So they're usually first. Over here is squashes and peas. And let's see. Oh, look at there. Michael will be happy. He's really wants to put a lot of morning glory up. And so finally, he used to reuse some containers, and they're coming up. Last night, the watermelon started coming from that little guy, so I put him in that red jar. We sort of stage things, swap them around, look, see if they're dry, need some water, see if they are sprouting, if they are, what they are, and where they need to start going to harden. The other day we had our glass windows. I sort of move these around, covering up the herbs, which these are chives. This is rosemary, thyme, and planted in. There's also onions and garlic and ginger. And looking there, there's Michael's morning glory sprouts. Back there, that bin is full of mustard greens. And this bin, these two guys are waiting on them. A lot of different microgreens and things. And that green bowl is just marigolds that I hope will go to seed soon. Or not go to seed, but sprout